that every time you get into this kind of situation, what you want to do is you want to be listening out for what is the language you're using. One of the things we all need to realize is that when it comes to our emotions, they're not just like rubbish things that are like, just a mess in our life. Because sometimes, especially like we were talking about, okay, you have feelings, you have emotions, we're like, look, you have to get past that. If it's time for prayer, you got to pray salah, you have to get past your feelings. But that doesn't mean that feelings are bad, feelings are irrelevant and stuff. It's usually giving us a signal towards something. And there's this thing I was listening to, they were talking about how feelings are like data. Like emotions are like data, and they're trying to direct you to something. When the feeling comes up, you want to be asking yourself, what am I feeling right now? Right? So imagine I'm going through it now and I'm feeling that emotion, and I want to say, like, what am I feeling right now? I'm going to say, I'm feeling discomfort, I'm feeling like anxiety. Okay, why am I feeling anxiety? Because I don't want to stay up. Right? Why don't I want to stay up? Well, I want to go to bed. I just don't want to do this stuff. Why don't I want to do this stuff? I don't know. If I do it, then it's what? Because if you just leave it there, I feel anxiety, I'm going back to bed. Okay? You're gonna feel it again. Or you just force yourself and you're like, I'm just gonna go into it, and then you're gonna feel that anxiety in the evening, right? But what we wanna do is we wanna identify, what am I actually feeling right now? Because I've never said that we gotta just suppress these feelings and push them down, anything like that. I'm saying, let's look at what the feeling is. Why am I having this, right? And you've seen how when you go a few layers deep, you realize the reason why I don't want to do this work is because I'm scared I'm actually going to fail. I'll be like, look, is it better for me not to do it, or is it better for me to try and fail? Like, which one is actually better of the two? So then we're talking about this anxiety, and we want to say to ourselves, look, I know I'm feeling anxious because, I want to go back to bed. I don't want to do this because failure is an option here. And if I even try, I can feel failure. I can feel the pain towards failure. But even though that's the case, the truth is I would rather try and fail, than not try at all. And that's a decision I'm making. And I'm saying, when you kind of talk to yourself like that and you make those decisions, what you'll find is that your mind, your body and soul goes, okay, look, she's saying like, I'm just going to do this and I'm going to accept whatever consequence comes with it. You know what? Let's do this.